Hi, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove gaps from a text file in one fell swoop. So I'm going to start by copying over the text file from a previous video I made. And as you'll see, these gaps, if you were to manually backspace and remove all these, it would take you some time. So what I'm going to do is hit Control A to select all, and then Control F to control find, hit replace, and in the find what section, I'm going to put an upper arrow, which is above the 6, while holding shift, and a lowercase p. It has to be a lowercase p. Don't ask me why. And then when I hit replace all, you'll see all the blanks and gaps are now removed. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.